Okay, so first we are gonna check what accessories we can find in the box. By the way, this is the European version, and as you can see, first we can find specification. We got the AMOLED display, 120 Hz. Also we can find Snapdragon 6th generation 3rd, 50 megapixel AI dual camera, and 45 watt turbo charging. That's actually so good specs for that price. And when you take a look on the device, as you can see, that's how it looks. We can find curved edges. The screen is not flat. We can also find that screen protection on this phone installed as default. On the right side, there's the power button, volume buttons. At the bottom, we can find speaker, USB-C port, microphone, and here there's the SIM slot. And the SIM slot looks like this. First and the second one, or the memory card. So we can find dual SIM or one SIM and the memory card. The back is made out of the plastic. We can find two cameras, flashlight. On the top we can find the another speaker, microphone, and IR blaster. Let's see if it runs on the HyperOS. Yeah, there is the HyperOS, as you can see. Now let's take a look for accessories, SIM injection tool, and inside we can find USB-A into the USB-C cable, safety information, warranty card. But we can also find pretty nice silicone case with a matte finish, and that's how it looks on the phone. We can find this bumper above the camera lenses, covered buttons, cutouts into all the ports at the top and at the bottom. There's also cover for corners. As you can see, the case comes above the screen over here. There's no charger in the box, but they recommend charger from 10 to 45 watts. There's also the high-res audio, and that's everything for this unboxing. If you are looking for some tricks, the best features, you can find this video on my channel.